At ZAPTEST, we're excited to introduce the 6-month opt-out offer, a unique and flexible approach to adopting our comprehensive software automation solution. This offering combines flexibility with exceptional value to meet the diverse needs of our customers and partners. What's in the offer? Upon subscription, you'll gain immediate access to ZAPTEST and its powerful features. To maximize your experience, a dedicated ZAP expert will assist with integration and effective use of the platform. They will handle daily automation tasks and provide product enablement for your team. ZAPTEST is a comprehensive solution to optimize your software automation strategy. Our platform features cutting-edge automation technology, task-agnostic automation, and a seamless process for DevOps and BizOps. We're excited to offer this unique subscription model, showcasing the strength and versatility of our product. This offer reflects our commitment to flexible, customer-centric solutions. In the first 30 days, you will enter a trial period, during which you will meet with a ZAP expert to discuss your test automation needs and challenges. Your expert will schedule a demo to demonstrate best practices and how to utilize the software to overcome these challenges in your specific environment and industry. If you feel that ZAPTEST is the software solution for your business, we will invite you to enter into an annual subscription with a 6-month, no-cost opt-out offer. If at any point during the first 5 months you find that ZAPTEST does not align with your specific requirements, you have the option to opt out of your annual subscription without any further obligation. Just send a 30-day written notice of cancellation. Should you choose to continue with ZAPTEST after 6 months, you will be billed at a discounted rate for your annual subscription, offering significant savings. Take advantage of this exclusive offer now, or talk to an expert to find your perfect solution.